Now, with simply the click of 2 buttons, my basket sling cable is released, and I'm bringing the crane and the hook back over my load so I can grab another packet. In my mind, it's not just the time that it saves me, but it saves the frustration of self-unhooking. Sometimes it becomes very tangled, or I can't see to unhook, or I have to actually climb up on the building myself to release my hook, which that becomes extremely time consuming and dangerous. The safety aspect is massive for me, yes.
Yeah.